Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.
Figueroa sa Trasola, rebound ni number 32. Santos kay number 18. Tira ni number 6 wala. Rebound ni number 20 Figueroa. Pili. 3 points. Pili. Figueroa. Time out. Pampanga College. Eleven seconds to shoot. Number 12, number 7 ng Pampanga College. Eleven seconds to shoot. Number 14. Marcelino. Binawi kaagad ni number 6 Santos. Ball intercepted by number 6 Santos to number 3 Pili. Layup ni Pili wala. Rebound ni number 32 putback wala. Rebound number 14 Marcelino. To number 1, Pasya. Binalik kay Pasya, binalik kay number 8. 2 points yan para kay number 8. Figueroa, kinaliwa, pabandang tira, pumasok. Merong pang foul. Basket count plus foul committed on number 8, Saub. Wala yung bonus free throw. Buta tayong tira ni number 2. Santos. Santos, wala. Number 13, Garcia, wala. Rebound number 3, Pili. Tira ni Figueroa, wala. Rebound ni number 13, wala. Bola pa rin yan ng Pampanga College. 18 seconds. Foul on number 14. Number 18. Fast break ni Figueroa kay number 3, Pili, for 2 points, Pili. 46-18 score. Santos. Five minutes. Foul on number 6. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Number 30, Season. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 9. Offensive rebound ni Widay. Putback ni number 1, hindi pumasok yung tira. Foul on number 14. Dalawang free throw awarded to number 20, Figueroa. Pumasok yung unang tira. Pili. Season to Jimenez. 2 points yan para kay Jimenez. Three minutes, 14 seconds to shoot. Basket count plus foul committed on number 9. Bonus free throw para kay number 32, Jimenez. And 1 para kay Jimenez. Last touch ang Sindalan. Bola pa rin yan ng Pampanga College. 16 seconds to shoot. Number 5, 2 points. Figueroa. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 9. For 2 points. $14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Jimenez address. Jimenez. 3 points. 14 to shoot. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 5 to shoot. Foul committed on number 8. Number 13. Number 20, Figueroa. Score po natin 62-24. 1 minute, 11 seconds. Split para kay De La Cruz. Number 30. De La Cruz, wala yung tira. Rebound ni number 32. Number 9. Pero may foul committed on number 6. Dalawang free throw. Bibigay kay number 9. Pumasok yung unang tira ni number 9. Hindi pumasok yung pangalawa. Ball out of bounds para sa Pampanga College. 55 seconds. $30 seconds na lang natitira sa ating second quarter. 30 seconds. Number 9, Pampanga College. Foul on number 13 there. Dalawang free throw ibibigay kay number 6 Cruz. 17 seconds na lang po natitira sa ating second quarter. Unang free throw para kay Cruz. Hindi pumasok. Wala pa rin yung pangalawa. Rebound ni number 13. Number 32. Season. Five seconds.
Diyan po nagtatapos ang second quarter ng ball game ng Junior Division ng UCAAP2018 sa pagitan po yan ng Pampanga Colleges at Sindalan High School. Hatid po sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill. Princess DY Venture, total commitment to providing quality and on-time services, reinforcing the economic and industrial growth of the country. And supported by Pampanga Vice Governor Dennis Pineda, promoting youth and community development through sports.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.